And now we will re-alarm the system again by activating the pull station beside the front door. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here's both of the notification appliances caught on camera on the system sensor selective silence this time. And if you come over here on the DVC, you notice that green LED beside this icon where it says front door, and it has a picture of a pull station and a light. That green LED remains lit because this point is mapped to the front door pull station. It doesn't control it, it just monitors it. Okay, instead of resetting from the panel, we'll go ahead and reset from the LCD 280.